Wild time.
What do you do if you go over to grandma's house? Right, you're 14.
You eat
like
candy corn.
You like to go over to grandma's because she makes you a nice snack after school.
Absolutely, yes.
You go over there, grandma's missing. She's not there. You have a key.
Okay.
You have a key. So you go in. No sign of grandma.
Okay.
She's her wallet's there, her purse is there, her little satchel full of Werther's Originals is right there on the counter. It doesn't look like she's left.
Okay.
Now, turns out grandma, there's no sign of struggle. There's no blood, but grandma does have a pet.
Oh boy.
And if I told you that turns out the pet is the reason she's missing, where's your head go right off the bat, biologist Forrest Galante?
Grandma has 38 cats. Died in her sleep, and the cats ate her.
I think we'd see bones. We'd see bones.
It would be messy.
Yes, it's completely gone.
So grandma's totally gone. Okay.
There's no sign of grandma.
Oh, man.
And the door's still locked, everything, no forced entry.
Wow. This is tough, to be honest, because everything you think of that an animal that makes a kill is pretty messy. This is pretty. Peter, you take a
Did she have a pet vulture? Maybe she had a pet vulture, and it just ate everything. So she had a dog, and she had a vulture. The dog killed her for just some whack reason, and the vulture ate all the bones.
That would
Clear
be
as day. Bingo. Next story. Let's go. Move on.
Now, vultures don't eat bones. No. There are some animals that do eat.
How do you know so much about animals, Pat? It annoys me.
I got one more yes. Grandma is a little person, and her pet is the world's largest pelican, and it just swallowed her whole. That's it.
Kyle, pull up the answer to the animal mystery.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
By the way, if my brain was all in the reptile world, I would have thought of this.
Huh.
Yeah.
A 22-foot long python.
Oh,
why
in
the world?
Obviously, I elaborated the details of the story a little bit. This wasn't a woman living in a high-rise condo in Manhattan.
No, she's living in Indonesia by the looks of things, because that's a retic, or maybe Thailand.
That's
what are they doing? Trying to get her out?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
There she
dude.
be.
I'm so happy this is a bonus Patreon pod. We can watch this.
Is that her? Is that grandma coming out of this thing?
It looks like a boot or something. What is that?
Lo, why do you
Is that a leg? Oh, that's a leg.
Why kill that python?
I mean, there's no point at that point. If you know grandma's in there, there's really no point. I mean,
what was it, to confirm that that's what happened potentially?
Probably.
Had to be.
But I don't know. I mean, I also get it. Like, I'm not someone that would ever kill a big snake. I think it would absolutely tear at my heartstrings. But if it ate my grandmother, I'd cut its head off and take my grandma out and go bury her. I wouldn't just be like, too late now. It got her. You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I think I get it, but I wasn't thinking reptile at all. That's gruesome.
If I had told you that it was in the jungles of Indonesia, would you have guessed reticulated python?
100%, yes.
Something different.
The high rise was really getting me. Still, pelican, even harder thing to have in a high rise. You can buy a reticulated python at almost any pet store and keep it until it gets big enough to eat you.
Wild times.
So if you want more behind the scenes stuff that we cannot show on YouTube, Darwin Awards, video breakdowns and reviews, check out the Patreon. It's full of hours and hours of incredible exclusive content, stuff that you guys are going to love. Swipe up, click the link, do the thing, come and hang out on Patreon. See you guys there.